Okay, so Home Depot is having a sale where if you pick up a battery starter kit for 99 bucks, you can get a free tool. And they've got a pretty decent selection of tools to pick from. They got a fan, they've got a vacuum, they've got a little jigsaw, sander, oscillating tool, reciprocating tool. Lots of cool stuff. But I ended up going with the angle grinder, so let's see what we got. So here's what you get for your 99 bucks. Checking out the battery starter kit. It includes a manual and miscellaneous paperwork. The battery charger itself with the battery status LED indicator lights. We've got a 4 amp hour battery with power indicators. Looks like it has a little charge in it. So let's set up our little charging station and start charging one of the batteries. And we've got a 2 amp hour battery with power indicators. This one's got a little charge also. And now let's check out the angle grinder. So it's got, let's see, another manual and more paperwork. A side handle with a handy little slot for the wrench. A single chunky grinding wheel. And the angle grinder itself. So giving the angle grinder a closer look-see, we've got, let's see, a toolless guard. We've got the trigger, lock-unlock button, and the spindle lock button. So let's attach the grinding wheel and see if this thing powers up. So I think I may have to see if I have some cutting wheels lying around. If not, I'll have to pick some up. But after that, I think this will come in pretty handy. And it looks like my trusty old $10 Harbor Freight angle grinder, well, I think that can serve as a backup now. So once again, here's all the cool stuff you get. And I think that's about it. So thanks a lot for watching this unboxing video. And until next time, I'll see ya.